Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to our podcast. I'm Bella, and I'm thrilled to be your guide today. Let's start this journey together, slowly and clearly. Every word matters, every sound is important. We are here to help you learn English in a way that is easy to understand. We will talk about many things today. Are you ready? Let's go.
And I'm Alex. It's a pleasure to be here with all of you. Today's episode is specifically designed for English learners who want to master one of the most fundamental skills in any language, the art of self-introduction. This isn't just about saying your name, it's about making a connection. We want you to feel confident when you meet new people. We want you to speak with clarity and ease. Let's take our time and learn together.
That's right, Alex. Whether you are meeting someone at a party, starting a new class, attending a networking event, or even sitting in a job interview, the question, "Tell me about yourself," is almost always the starting point. It can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're not confident in your English, but we are here to help you navigate it with confidence and clarity. Take a deep breath. You can do this. We will show you how.
Exactly. Our goal today is to give you a complete toolkit. We're going to break down a self-introduction into several easy-to-manage parts. We'll talk about your basic details, your professional or academic life, your family, your pets, your personal interests, and even some common phrases and useful vocabulary. We'll also include some practice exercises for you. This will be a very comprehensive lesson. Please listen carefully.
And most importantly, we are going to speak slowly and clearly. We want you to hear every syllable, every sound, and every vowel. This is not just about the words, it's about the rhythm, the intonation, and the clarity of your speech. We want you to feel comfortable and confident when you speak English. Don't rush. Speed is not as important as being understood. Let's focus on clear communication.
So, grab a pen and paper or open a note-taking app. Let's make this an interactive learning experience. Are you ready, Bella? Let's start at the very beginning. Your name. It sounds simple, doesn't it? But there are different ways to say it depending on the formality of the situation. You can say, "My name is Alex," or just, "I am Alex." Think about the person you are talking to. Is it a friend or a boss?
Right, you can say, "My name is Bella," which is quite formal, or more commonly, "I'm Bella." This is friendly and suitable for most casual interactions. Well, I am from Canada. I was born and raised in Toronto, which is a very large and multicultural city. It's known for its diverse food scene and vibrant arts. Currently, I live in a busy, noisy, but very exciting big city. I live in a small apartment. It's high up, so I have a great view of the streets below.
That sounds like quite a contrast to my upbringing. I am originally from the United States. I grew up in a small town in the Midwest. It was very quiet and peaceful, surrounded by cornfields and open skies. But now I live in a different place. I live in a small town with a lot of nature around. I have a house, and my favorite part is the garden. I spend a lot of time there growing vegetables and flowers. It's my little escape from the world.
So, listeners, you can see the pattern here. When introducing your origin and residence, you can use phrases like, "My name is," "I'm from," "I live in," "I grew up in." Let's practice those slowly. My name is Bella. I am from Canada. I live in a big city. Say it with me. Take your time. Let the words flow naturally from your mouth. You are doing great.
Perfect. And don't forget your age if the situation is casual and appropriate. I am 28 years old. Remember, you can always choose how much information you want to share. It's your introduction. Now, let's move to the next logical step. People often ask, "What do you do?" Or "What are you studying?" This helps them understand how you spend your day and what your passions might be. What do you love to do? What is your dream job?
Exactly. For me, as I mentioned, I am an art student. I spend most of my time at the university attending lectures, working on projects, and practicing my skills. I study drawing, painting, and art history. I love it because I can express my feelings and ideas through colors and shapes. It's a very creative field. Every day is a new adventure in creativity. I feel so lucky to be able to study what I love. What about you, Alex?
That's wonderful, Bella. As for me, I am an English teacher. I've been teaching for several years now. I work on this podcast channel, creating content for learners like you, and I also teach private lessons online. I love my job because I get to meet people from all over the world and help them reach their language learning goals. It's incredibly rewarding to see my students improve. Their success is my success. I am proud to be a teacher. It is a noble profession.
When you talk about your work or studies, you can use phrases like, I'm a, I work as a, I am studying, my major is, I'm passionate about. For example, I am a medical student. I am studying to be a doctor in the future. Or maybe I am an office manager. I work for a large technology company. Try to say these sentences yourself. Speak them clearly.
Many people enjoy talking about their families. It's a great way to build a personal connection. I have a small but very supportive family. I have a younger sister named Sarah. She is a very talented musician. She studies music at a conservatory and plays the piano beautifully. My mother is a writer. She writes children's books and short stories. And my father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital and is very dedicated to his patients. We are very close.
What an interesting family, Alex. My family is also very important to me. I have one older brother. His name is Tom. He works as a software engineer. My mother is a wonderful woman. She's a teacher for young children. She has so much patience and a heart of gold. And my father is a chef. He works in a famous French restaurant downtown. He makes the best pasta you've ever tasted. Food is a big part of our family life. We love to eat together.
And we can't forget our furry friends. Pets are often considered part of the family. I have a dog. His name is Max. He is a brown Labrador, full of energy. He is very friendly and, honestly, quite funny. He loves to run and play fetch in the park. He's always happy to see me, which is the best feeling. He's my best buddy. Do you have any pets, Bella? I bet you have a cat. You seem like a cat person.
You guessed it, Alex. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She's black and white with beautiful green eyes. Unlike Max, Luna is very quiet and very sleepy. She spends most of the day napping in the sun on my balcony. She's a very independent cat, but she loves cuddles when she wants them. She is the queen of my apartment. Having a pet brings so much joy and peace to a home. Don't you agree, everyone? Pets are just wonderful.
Absolutely. Now, for the fun part, likes and dislikes. This shows your personality. For example, I love food. Specifically, I love pepperoni pizza. I could eat it every day if I could, but I really dislike olives. I don't know why, I just don't like the taste or the texture. It's a strong dislike for me. Some people love them, but not me. What about you, Bella? What is your favorite food? And what do you hate?
I'm the opposite. I love vegetable pizza, and I actually like olives on my pizza, but I really love pasta. Any kind of pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna. One thing I really dislike though is spicy food. My mouth just can't handle it. Y prefer mild flavors. I also love the color green. It reminds me of nature and fresh grass. It feels very peaceful and refreshing. Colors can really affect your mood, don't you think? I feel so calm in green spaces.
Mine is blue, like the sky on a clear day or the deep ocean. It's very calming and vast. I also love music. I listen to a lot of old rock music from the 70s and 80s, bands like Led Zeppelin and Queen. I also enjoy playing soccer every Saturday with my friends. It's a great way to stay active and socialize. And in the evenings, I love watching comedy movies. I like to laugh and forget about my worries for a while. Laughter is the best medicine.
That sounds like a well rounded life, Alex. For me, I enjoy painting, of course, but I also love reading. I especially like adventure stories and fantasy novels. They take me to different worlds and spark my imagination. One thing I dislike is waking up early. I am definitely not a morning person. I prefer to work late and sleep in. The world is so quiet at night. It's the best time for creativity and deep thought. I feel most alive then.
And I dislike waiting in long lines. Whether it's at the grocery store, the bank, or the post office, I find it very boring and a waste of time. Now, let's see how all these parts fit together. Listen to my full introduction. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from the United States, and I currently live in a quiet town with a garden. I am 28 years old. I am an English teacher. I have a younger sister named Sarah. I also have a dog named Max. I love pepperoni pizza and old rock music. I dislike olives and long lines. Nice to meet you.
That was perfect, Alex. Now I will do mine. Hi, everyone. I am Bella. I am from Canada, and I live in a busy city in a small apartment. I am 25 years old. I am an art student. I have an older brother named Tom. I also have a cat named Luna. I love pasta and reading adventure stories. I dislike spicy food and waking up early. Nice to meet you all. Now it's your turn, listeners. We will give you some time to practice. Say the prompt and fill in the blank out loud. Don't be shy. Ready? My name is. I am from. I live in. I am a. I like. I dislike. Great job.
Practice makes perfect. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Don't worry about being perfect. Use your body language. Smile. Make eye contact. And third, practice, practice, practice. Record yourself and listen back. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We hope this podcast has been helpful. Remember, every great conversation starts with a simple hello. You've got this. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning.